This is a fidget spinner. You may all love it, but in reality, this gets boring fairly quickly. Yeah, this is boring. And I know what you're thinking. Well, if it's so damn boring and useless, how come you have one? Well, I only have one because I found it. In reality, I wouldn't pay $5 or whatever. Here are 5 things that are more exciting and more fun than a damn boring fidget spinner. Bouncy balls. These bounce very high up and they're much more fun to play with than a freaking fidget spinner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try 2. See, much more complicated, but much more fun. You can bounce on while you walk around. Yeah, I'm bored. Bingo boards. These tech decks are 1,000% more cooler than a damn boring fidget spinner. Especially if, unlike me, you can master cool tricks. Play-Doh. If you're 2 years old, you can eat it. Or if you're 5 and over, you can make something out of it. So much fun just to even squeeze it. You can make anything out of Play-Doh. Wow. I had so much fun turning this into this. I think that's Perry the Platypus. Legos. You can build anything you can imagine out of Legos. Nerf guns. You can shoot at anything. Those 5 things are definitely all cooler and more fun to play with.